Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Reliance Industries. Guys, this is Reliance Industries daily chart. I had analyzed it long back. It was somewhere around February. I'll just show you the video here. In case you have not seen this video, I'll share this video in the description, the link of this video in the description box. You can have a look at it. I had given a target of 2167 in case it breaks around 1969, I suppose. Probably this was the entry point. You can just have a look at it. I'll share this video in the description box. You can have a look at it. You can see here I had explained everything in detail. And let's do our further analysis on Reliance Industries and see how Reliance Industries can perform upcoming week. Okay, now you can check out this link in the description box. It was shared on 11th Feb. Okay, now let me first delete these drawings and let me move to daily chart as well. I'm sorry, weekly chart, and see what is happening here. Okay. Okay guys, for now Reliance Industries looks a little bullish, no doubt in that. I'll tell you the reason why. The first thing what I'm going to check out is the trend. This was previously a trend line, a downtrend line. You can see here it has breached and it has started moving up. And let us mark some support and resistance as well for a further study. Okay, this is going to be the resistance and this is going to be the support what we have now. Okay, initially this is going to be the support. Okay, other than this we have resistance somewhere around 2309 and 2369. These are the resistance what we have. Now let me check out monthly chart once. Okay, monthly chart looks good, no doubt in that. Let me draw one more trend line here and see how it looks. This is probably going to be a new trend line in case price breaches the all-time high and starts moving up. Okay, now let me go to daily chart and explain you what our trading plan will be. In case if you see here, there are a lot many lines. Okay, now one more down uptrend line, a small uptrend line to check out how is it working here. Okay, looks good. Let me try using log chart here. Okay, this looks good. Okay, now guys, straight and simple plan. 2198.80 has been a strong resistance. You can see here price had been resisted at this level many times and it has taken support as well here. And even here we can see the close was around 2202, though it was 2202 about this resistance level. The price is still trading after that below 2200 levels. Okay, now this has also formed a beautiful inside bar, no doubt in that. You can see here last three candles, these three candles when I take, it has formed an inside bar which looks good. So what is our trading plan? I'll tell you. In case price breaches this high, the inside bar high, range high, this is the range high 2219 and this is the range low, right? That is 2107. Okay, in case price breaches 2219, we can expect price move to 2309 and 2369. If not, prices may retrace again to this level, but until and unless this range low doesn't break, I won't think of shorting, because from this trend line again it can bounce, and if it sustains next 3-4 days again, guys, this is going to be a tight range and any breakout can result in a big move either of the side. But for now I feel like it's bullish, and above 2219 it can reach 2309 and 2369, and above 2369, guys, it's all-time high probably. Yes, it's all-time high and it can give a big move on the upside, right? So this is the simple analysis what I have. Reliance Industries has a beautiful inside bar. Let's see how it works in the coming week. And I'll show you previously, whenever inside bar has come in, in Reliance, it has given a big move. You can see here, this was also a inside bar, and you can see here once this high breached, next one day just one single candle has given a big momentum. This high was somewhere around 2089, you can take it as 2090, and you can see here this high it made of 2152, almost around 62 points. It has given a move. So whenever it inside bar has breached, it has given a big move. This is what I want to tell you. Now let's see how Reliance Industries is going to perform in the coming week. Hopefully it touches 2301. This is my estimation, and about 2309 it will be a little difficult till it reaches 2369.35. Alright guys, this is all I have for Reliance Industries. I'll also share the link in the description box. You can have a look at it. Probably I think I had given an entry somewhere here, 1950, and after that it has given a big move. So almost around, you can take it as 200, more than 200 points. It has given a move, and it's quite good enough. Thanks for watching this video guys. Any doubts you have on Reliance Industries, you can drop in a comment. I'll try to solve that, and I'll see you again in the next video. I have uploaded almost around 8 to 10 videos today. You can have a look at that as well. It's all for March analysis. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.